So today, me and my family, we went downtown to do a little bit of shopping. But before we could do any shopping, we first had to find a parking spot. And I kid you not, we spent a half hour driving around in circles in hope that someone would give up their parking spot so that we can go and use it. And although a parking meter only cost $1, if we think about it, the half-hour amount of time we wasted, the half-hour amount of gas we wasted, and the amount of environmental damage that we brought out is a lot more than $1. And I'm sure that it isn't only my family that does it, but there's probably tons of families out there that are doing this or did it already today. And if we look on a wider scale, there are probably millions of people. And if we get the collective data and analyze it, the amount of time we spend just for a single parking spot, the amount of gas we are using to find a parking spot, and the amount of environmental damage we have brought to the table all because of a single parking spot is way too much. So here's where my unique thought comes into play. But before we get into the unique thought, let's take a recap on how parking spots have evolved over time. First, it was just a normal parking spot, and someone would go around making sure that the rules, laws, regulations were enforced and everyone were following them. Then, gradually over time, came the parking meter. Now, this is what you see in most downtowns, where you just put the coins in, it gives you a certain amount of time, and that's how long your car can stay parked there. And some places have took it a step further and digitalized it, and now instead of having to carry around coins to pay with, you can just easily pay with your phone. Now, some of you might be like, well, that's great. We've digitalized parking spots. It's a win-win. Well, in my eyes, it is only half digitalized, and I feel we can take it one step further. So here's where my actual unique thought comes into play. Just like a cinema, when you go online just to find the seats that you want, which seats are already taken, you can book your seats online, you go to the cinema, you get your tickets, you go and you watch your movie all within 30 seconds. It's not a hard process. And I do know that cinema and parking spots, well, they're two entirely different subjects. But if we can bring in a similar service like the cinema into parking spots so that you can just book your parking spot online, it would make it a lot easier. And it's feasible too, because downtown there are already thousands of cameras, so we can easily see which parking spots are free and which ones aren't. Now, some of you might be questioning, well, how about the people that want to cheat the system? Well, the thing is that we can have many add-ons. We can add a lot of add-ons, like you can only book a parking spot 15 minutes before, or if someone's abusing the system, you can give them a ticket, so on and so forth. So I wouldn't worry about it too much. Moreover, here at Non-Academic, validating isn't part of our unique thoughts, and it's just there trying to expand our horizon. But that being said, if the place that you're living in right now, if they already have this established, please do let me know in the comments down below. And if you haven't guessed it already, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought by just monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. And if I could get my unique thought by just a simple parking spot, then you can too. So make sure to keep your eyes and your mind wide open. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye!